So once again, we're at Cosham High Street level crossing in Hampshire with me, Gadge Boy 313. I can't see the destination screen or the departures board dot matrix on platform 2 at the moment, because the next train on platform 1 isn't until 13:17, and it's currently, according to my watch, 13:06. So it might be the next train on platform 2 it's due, or another empty slot working, or even something else that's completely different. Who knows? Yeah, lots of people play with LEDs. These Unipart ones, or I won't go beyond the white line. Just about to see the Yoda alarm just there. Look. Information again. Samaritan's advert. Sponsor. I think they're sponsoring network there or something. I don't know. Cameras up there. It's monitored by CCTV. This level crossing. There goes the 23 bus over the bridge there. I can't see that line because that building's in the way, and I don't need to go beyond the white line here for my safety. Oh, the fast train, there's non-stopper. 444026. On the front. And 444007 on the rear, and that is working a, whatever time, I don't know the time, diverted Weymouth to London Waterloo. Diverted via Havant and Guildford.